miles I walked, I just knew that I needed to clear my head. It always feels so good to just go out in nature. And I'm like, why? I was in the house so long, and I'm like, it feels so good to just get out and, you know, do something. It has been so hard to make this video because I rarely have any time to myself. I have 3 kids and they're all different age groups. So you can just imagine the amount of busy that goes on around here. So currently there is online learning that is taking place. I am an essential worker that works outside of the home. So when I do get a chance to do something like this, I go full throttle. So today I wanted to show you guys just a day that I have to myself, my own little self-care day. And I worked up a bit of a sweat. So by the time I got home, I decided to run a nice warm bubble bath. This kind here, I love these bath bombs here. They smell so good. They have like the cherry and the raspberry, the blueberries, and I love these bath bombs. These are something that is a must when I am relaxing in the tub. I use a MixEasy face mask and face scrub, and these work really well with my skin. I have oily skin, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that face mask on. What I love about MixEasy is that you get to curate the products that work perfectly for you. So once you go there, you can choose different ones for your skin type. Next, you will choose the natural ingredients, and you have up to 5 options to choose from. You can also choose the different scents that you would like to have in your product, and you can also curate it, and you can have your name. The process is so easy. And if you guys are interested, you can use my code FreebieBabe to get 15% off of your first order. This face mask is amazing. It is perfect for someone like me that has oily skin. And when I tell you, there are so many products out there on the market that just work against me in every way possible, and I'm walking around looking like a big greasy shine ball. But not with this. Nope. This makes me look good, feel good every single time I try it. My second favorite is the face scrub. Guys, when I tell you, if you want to get all the impurities out of your face, this is the one. The scents I chose are really good. Yes, I like to make sure that I do not miss a spot, because when you're cleaning with this, you are definitely going to feel that amazing fresh feeling afterwards, and it's something that I definitely recommend. Smells so good. You literally just feel it working, getting out all of those impurities. I love to sit back, read a good magazine or two, and just chill. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.